Fix the Anker Soundcore 2 not turning on. Now, what we want to do is press and hold the power button, and if it's not turning on, the first thing we need to do is charge it. So let's pull out the rubber bung here at the end, and we need to use a USB-C to USB charging cable. Now, if you're not using the original Anker Soundcore 2 cable, I do recommend trying this one out, because normally the fault of it not turning on is it not being charged, and if it's not charging, it could be down to your cable. So once you've plugged your USB-C into the speaker, plug the USB into a power source. I recommend a wall outlet, and it does take 3 hours from a wall outlet and 6 to 8 if you're in a USB, like into a laptop or a phone charger, for instance. Most of the time, not turning on is down to a bad cable. You do want to see a red steady light. This will indicate that your Soundcore 2 is charging, and once it turns a white steady light, it'll indicate that it's fully charged, and you'll be able to turn it on and you'll see that white light indicating you have power. So hopefully that helps you out if your Anker Soundcore 2 is not turning on.